All right, I'm installing Windows 11 and I'm going to show you how to create a local account instead of a Microsoft account when installing. So this is way too much of a pain having to create an Outlook account and click on this thing to prove I'm a human. I can't deal with this, so I'm going to create a local account. See, even after I went through the trouble of proving I'm a human, it just freezes right there. So here I am back on this page where you have to actually create an account. And we're going to show you how to bypass this and open up a command prompt. There's a command you can type in and just pretty much tell it to create a local account. Just hit Shift F10. I pressed it a few times because it wasn't responding right away, just running a little bit slow, but here we are, and you're going to see it opened up a few terminals because I pressed the button too many times. That's Shift F10. So anyways, we don't need all of those terminals. We're just going to need one of them. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and type in this command here, but you just have to type start ms-cxh: local only, and then hit enter. Now here you can just fill in your regular user information, creating an actual local account. So I'm just filling in my username, my password. Gonna re-enter the password, just normal stuff, no online Microsoft account, none of that signing up, no email, none of that stuff. Yeah, just pretty much fill in your security questions. You don't have to answer them with a real answer if you don't want to. You know, if you know the answers to it, it's gonna make it easier for you. In my case, I'm recording myself filling in these answers. And yeah, pretty much put anything you want in here so long as you're gonna remember it. But yeah, this basically gives you the answering, you know, what's your first pet's name? Pizza, right? So long as you remember it, it's fine. And you can pretty much just create your own local account. No need to deal with Outlook, emails, anything like that. You have freedom to create it the way you want, and nobody's going to tell you you can't create it that way. So now that we've done that, we're all set. Continue on with the installation. Windows is good to go with our local account. This is it, success. Windows is getting things ready for you. It'll take a little bit for it to actually boot up, but that's it. That's how you set up Windows 11 with a local account at install time. Remember to subscribe if you like being informed about technology.